Hey there, my name is Cameron. Welcome to Beyond the Parallax Effect. This is Lesson 12. In this lesson, a distortion effect called optics compensation is used to create really interesting depth on a still photo. So let's dive in and get started. Import the stained glass JPEG into After Effects. Drag the file into a new composition. Make the layer 3D. Create a new 35mm camera. Set a camera keyframe for position and the Z rotation. At the end of the timeline, move the camera forward in Z. And rotate about 13 degrees. The camera now has a slow push with rotation. Select the stained glass layer and apply the effect Distort Optics Compensation. In the field of view, input a low value like 20. Set a keyframe for field of view. Select the box for reverse lens distortion. Go to the end of the timeline. Increase the field of view to about 100 and watch the parallax effect happen. If reverse lens distortion is not selected, the effect does not work. But when selected, the created depth is very cool looking. Create a new solid layer and name it Depth. To this layer, add the gradient ramp effect. Change the ramp shape from linear to radial. Bring the start of the ramp to the center of the comp. Position the end of the ramp further away. Swap colors so that white is inside the ramp and black is outside the ramp. Turn off the gradient solid and create a new adjustment layer. Add the camera lens blur effect. Increase the blur radius. Set the blur map layer to the depth solid. The camera lens blur does not understand how to read layer information provided by the gradient effect without the layer being pre-composed first. Pre-compose the depth layer with the option Move All Attributes into New Composition. This will bring the gradient ramp into the pre-comp so that it will no longer be viewed by the camera lens blur as effect information. Because the white and black values of the radial ramp were swapped, the blur map layer needs to be inverted. Decrease the blur radius so that the depth of field effect is subtle. Place Stained Glass 01 into a new comp. Make it HD. Scale the comp layer to fit within the comp and import the letterbox PNG. Apply the Lumetri color effect to the stained glass layer. Under the Creative dropdown, select the Fuji Eterna 250D Kodak 2395 preset. By clicking the preset off and on, It's easy to see the effects of this color filter. Also apply the Stylize Glow effect. Turn down the threshold, up the radius, decrease the intensity, and most importantly, change the glow operation from add to screen. Setting the glow operation to screen makes the glow effect more subtle. Add the levels effect and increase the blues in the shadows. Lastly, create a white solid named Vignette. Apply an oval mask and set to subtract. Increase the feather. Set the transfer mode to overlay. This creates a contrast to a typical vignette. Instead of darkening the edges are instead highlighted. This wraps up Lesson 12 on the optics compensation technique. This is a simple technique, but on the right images can create really cool results. Leave your comments below and let me know what you think of this lesson.